Hello and welcome to AFT 24/7. I am Aditi Joshi and it is the second day of the Global Journalism Fest at Marva Studios Noida. And today we have with us the pleasure of speaking with a voice who doesn't just entertain, he uplifts, he entertains, and his voice is there with us much after the mic is even off. Let's welcome Ajay Atishay. Hello sir, how are you feeling?
I am good, and that is one hell of an introduction, I would say. And the feeling is always energetic. The feeling is always wonderful to come here. This is also my second time being here, but it feels like I belong here forever. The spark that I see in the kids and the thing that I come here for, the motivation, I feel it gets to the right people, and I think such brilliant students who have a great future ahead of them. Yeah.
Okay, so great. So you attended the fest. I guess you loved it, and your presence at the Audi was extremely powerful, extremely entertaining. And sir, I'd like to know, you have been a big name in the radio industry. How you entered the industry? How did it all start? What inspired you?
Probably it's a podcast kind of question, if I can say probably. But if I had to put it in a short manner, I've been telling this. There was no godfather in this industry for me, and probably media mein koi hoga bhi nahi who will just pick you up and probably guide you there. So it's just you or your talent. Probably surround yourself with good people. I must say, one of my friends told me to probably try for radio. My father actually wanted me to be in the army,
Okay.
but then maybe God had some other plans. So the backup option, which was journalism and mass communication, I did that. I tried for the radio. One of my mentors recommended me to one of the leading radio industry stations, which was Hit 95 FM. I did my internship there, and then never looked back. I kept on going and going. Tried, made few connections. Tried to enter in almost every event or every hunt that was happening at that particular point of time. I'm talking back in 2015. So Radio Mirchi came in light for me. 2015 में वो जब hunt हुआ, जब मैंने जीता, फिर उसके बाद never look back to this journey.
Great, very inspiring story from army to radio. Okay, quite a roller coaster ride, I must say. Okay, so I'm talking about radio. Okay, it's such a powerful medium.
It is.
Okay, so I would like to know, what is one drawback according to you that you like kind of don't like about this job?
About this job,
Yeah.
uh, probably I have to end my show, as I can say. But that's an answer for the screen. If you are asking about the drawback, I would say it's not a drawback on my end, but a drawback. Actually, I was hearing one of the jocks talking about this on air as well, considering it's World Radio Day today, that the radio limitation in the phones have just gone.
Yeah.
So probably if you buy a new phone, earlier it was just the iOS feature, and now if I see the latest Android phones as well, so the radio inbuilt feature which used to be there is still not here. So I think probably a drawback I can say वो ही हो सकता है कि अगर जो वो चीज़ हमारा मीडियम जिसके लिए हम रिप्रेजेंट करें, if it is not accessible to each and everybody, तो वो फिर हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ा ड्रॉबैक बन सकता है. So I think probably it's time to come back, probably new
Come back
phones.
to radio, yeah. Revive the radio medium, guys. We have such great RJs. I think we need to revive it back. How do you handle live mistakes on air?
Oh. Yeah, probably अभी भी you might not even realize this is what experience teaches you. आपको कुछ बोलना होता है, but your sync, your energy, and the way you say things, वो इतना smoothly हो जाता है कि आपको पता भी नहीं चलता. So I was trying to say hunt, but I said something else industry right now.
Yeah.
But you might even have not noticed because it went in a flow.
Yeah.
So even if the mistakes are there, it's just in my head, not to the audience. So yeah, so you do it well. with
Okay,
the-
any word of advice to all the budding RJs out there?
Budding RJs. If you have a buddy who's advising you not to enter into this industry, or probably just chill है, बाबा witness है, कुछ भी है, तो probably buddies, आपको उन buddies से थोड़ा दूर होना पड़ेगा. And if you think you have a charm, अगर आपको आज भी लगता है the probably if radio industry is not doing that well, but you can probably excel it. It's about your talent first and then about the industry. क्योंकि आप बूम इंडस्ट्री पे अगर आपका टैलेंट वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, सो प्रॉब्ली मेक्स नो सेंस. सो या बडिंग पीपल को मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, वर्क ऑन योर टैलेंट, get your stuff right, and if you think it's right for you, please go forward.
Okay, okay. We've got great advices from Sir right here. A very quick rapid fire round. So I expect it to be extremely fiery. I expect some fast, great,
Okay.
fiery answers. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first question: morning shows or late night shows?
You never mentioned evening, which is the show that I host, but given a choice, I would still say night show because I've done that. The audience, the most loyal audience for any show is the night show.
Night shows. Okay. Scripted humor or spontaneous humor?
Spontaneous, absolutely scripted, feels like scripted, and the audience also are smart enough to get that.
A celebrity you'd love to interview?
I've done before, but I'd like to interview him time and again, and probably never ending Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik
Probably I was too young. I was almost in the awe of him. and I couldn't just ask the right question, probably the question that I want to ask. So this time I probably ask in a more professional manner, Hrithik Roshan.
Manifesting that for you.
And Virat Kohli, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
How can I
Fingers
forget that?
crossed.
Yeah.
One word listeners use to describe you.
One word, listeners.
Listeners use to describe you.
Yeah, that is one of the names that I use. दिल्ली का सबसे frank लड़का तो frank लड़का जो है मुझे कहा जाता है.
Okay. If your life was a show, what would it be called?
If my life was a show, it would be called
Quick.
Atishay actually, because मेरे नाम का मतलब ही होता है going to the extreme to what you want. तो उसमें extremism आपको बहुत मिलेगा. So the Atishay show probably.
Mic on or mic off? Where are you more dramatic?
That's a good one. Mic off probably. Mic on, I still have a little limitations, but mic off, I can be a little more frank.
Okay. One song that defines your personality.
क्या करूं, oh ladies. मैं वो आदत से मजबूत. That's the first thing came to my mind. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Akshay Atishay. It was great talking to you. You're watching AFT 24/7. I'm Aditi Joshi with video journalist Vedant Aryan, and we are signing off.
Thank you so much.